2011 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. Man, it's a cool looking bike. If you've never ridden in the rain, it's a lot of fun. And it's a lot, I mean, on a bike like this, if you're actually moving, you could successfully not get wet at all. Like if you were on the highway on a bike like this, and then you got caught in the rain, you don't get that wet. Alright, so here's a big difference with the Road Glide. You notice the steering, the front fairing is fixed, and it's not connected to the handlebars. The steering is significantly lighter on the Road Glide. You're not fighting the wind when you're turning the bike. It's a I mean, the Kawasaki's do it, the Honda does it. Harley's actually one of the only companies that has, well, not really, but every other Harley Davidson, the fairing is fixed to the forks. All sport bikes are just like this, where the fairing is fixed to the frame and does not move. This is, of course, the big 103 motor. Love this engine. Tons of power, and it's definitely it definitely lasts a long time. Keep in mind when you're riding in the rain, everything's gonna happen real slow until everything happens really fast and you wreck. Now you want to make slow, you want to brake slow, you want to accelerate slow, you want to turn slow. You do have less traction, although most likely you probably have more traction than you think you do. Man, this bike feels good. It's a beautiful bike. I love the color. It's like a reddish brown. It's got some sun glow something in the name. It's a lot of fun to ride.